Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETFs on Webull. First, you need to open and fund your Webull brokerage account. This typically involves providing personal information and linking a bank account. Once your account is active, ensure that ETF trading is enabled in your settings, which usually takes just a few taps. Then, you can navigate to the Markets or Watchlist tab on your mobile or desktop app to start exploring investment opportunities. Finding the right ETF is crucial for your investment strategy. Webull offers a vast selection, with over 3,300 ETFs available. You can easily use the search bar to locate a specific ETF by its symbol or name. The platform also provides comprehensive ETF lists and detailed profiles, offering in-depth market insights. Leverage the advanced charting and analysis tools to compare ETFs side by side and make informed decisions. Once you have identified an ETF, placing your order is straightforward. Tap on the ETF to view its details, then select the Trade button. You will then choose an order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. Finally, input the number of shares you wish to buy, or a dollar amount if you prefer to purchase fractional shares, which is a great option for smaller investments. Beyond basic market and limit orders, Webull offers several advanced options to manage your trades. Market orders are ideal for quick execution, while limit orders give you price control. For risk management, consider using a stop order to limit potential losses or a trailing stop order, which adjusts with the price movement. These tools can help protect your investments and lock in profits as the market fluctuates, giving you greater flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.